All right, Ari. Ari is not in the bath. Sorry, is at school in his little swimming water day. But he's having water day with the toddlers today. He's special. Ari, Ari, what you doing? Oh, he's too busy splashing. Yes. Hi, Maddie. Oh, he is having a blast. Hi, Julian. Hi. Hi. You are so cute.
Hey, you.
Ari, peek. Ari. Hi, Maddie.
Smells like green
Need
apple.
some help getting in? Yeah, is that, you have the Dawn? Like apple something? Ari, peekaboo. Where's Ari? Where's the baby? Alright, he's too busy splashing and having fun. Joe. Okay. That wasn't her fault. It was Maddie.
It's okay.